Hey everyone, what's up? Let's start the bib library on the channel. Let's go into the settings. Here we go into storage, click on the three dots and click Start Library. That's the first one. Also, you can go into downloads and change the download region here. That's the second one. And third, you can clear the download cache. But I'll warn you right away, if you're already downloading something, you'll have to start the download completely over. So be careful with that. For large games, it might be better to try finding another solution. Or if it's some kind of update, you can also try checking the integrity of the game files by right-clicking on the game. Go to Properties, then Installed Files, and click Verify to check the integrity of the game itself. And of course, rebooting your PC, restarting Steam, and restarting your router can also help. Overall, I think it's worth trying. Hope that was helpful. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and follow on Twitter or GX. Link in the channel header. All the best, good luck, and see you later.